All right, guys, welcome back to another tutorial for Monster Adventure Studio. I feel like it's been a bit since I've gotten to do one of these. Really, our big push lately has just been getting that to 1.0, getting out early access. Today, we're going to be checking out how to cutscene better. Okay, this was requested a while back. I apologize, I'm getting to it right now, but I'm going to jump back into that tutorial project there, and I'm going to get right down to it. So I'm going to show you a couple ways to make cutscenes. You can have a cutscene happen on any map that you've currently got, or you can make a special map just designated for that cutscene. So we're going to make one on an open map first, right? So I believe we touched on it kind of at the basics with creating events with our little robot down here. We're going to do something a little different though. So come over here. I want to name this guy Cutscene NPC 1. And I'm going to give him 2 pages. We're only going to be working in page 1 for now. Okay, going to make him solid. And you know what? Let's make him the Demon Lord. Why not? We haven't used him yet. All right, so if back out, look, we've got our Demon Lord right here. He is ready to be cutsceneable. So the biggest part of making cutscenes is figuring out what the heck we want to do with these cutscenes, right? So here's what I have in my head here. Hey, we'll exit out of our house, we'll walk over here, our player will talk to him, he'll say something rude, and then we'll have him walk away. Okay, I'm going to show you how to get him to naturally disappear after that as well. So he doesn't just come up here and keep repeating the same thing. So let's go into our events here. Let's have him say, "Ugh, I can't waste my time with a weakling like you." For that, just to give it more of like a something's going on here feel, let's use the exclamation. Put that up at the top. And you don't have to do this. I'm just goofy like that. All right. Cool. Save. Let's go into our playtest. Well, oh no. Where is our demon lord? I'll show you where he's at. So let's click on our demon lord here. And the reason he's not showing up is we made page 2, but we have these pages competing against each other because they're the same. Right? So this page is going to run always. And well, this one's also going to run always, right? So we got to change that. You can think of each page as a script that you're handing these NPCs, these events. Okay, so page 2, we change that to self switch on. And we'll just make self switch A. And we'll save that. And if we go back into our playtest, he's going to show up. Sure enough, here he is. All right, great. So he berates us, he makes us feel bad, but we want to get him to do something else, right? Because what kind of cutscene is this if the dude's just telling us we're a weakling? All right, so I'm noticing there's a tree about 3 tiles up from where our demon lord is here. I think it would be hilarious if he talked smack to us and went and walked right into that tree. So that's what we're going to do for this cutscene for this next step. So let's click our demon lord here. Let's go to move, route, I'm going to click right here. I'm going to have him move up, move up, move up. And this is a great little event command here. You can have it do just about whatever you want. Timing wise is in here as well. I'm going to add that. Keep a special eye on this. And, let's have a sound play. So sound. Find a good one here. That'll work for now. So I'm going to add that. And I also, just for pure dramatic effect, let's shake the screen. Let's make let's make the screen shake. Gotta spell it right for it to pop up. We don't need no particles. It's in a cave. Yeah, that'll be fine. Well, let's save it. Let's go to playtest. Let's check it out. Incredible. Incredible. Alrighty. So we got our guy walking into a tree now. Okay, so from here, I noticed something when we played that last playtest. He quite literally walked into the tree. We need this dude to feel mad. Okay, so we need him to straight up run. So we can go back to our move route here. And we can go to our step delay. And instead of 20, let's make it 10. We're going to hit update. And something else is once he hits that, let's have him wait for about half a second and then run off around the right edge of the tree here. So it'll be a wait command, right, up, up, up. So I'm going to come to command browser. So wait. 60 frames is a second. Then we're going to have our move. He's going to feel real embarrassed, so he's trying to get out of here. So right, up, up, up. We're going to use that. We're going to add that. We're going to save it. And let's check it out. All right, there we go. Okay, but you notice I'll walk up here and he'll still be here. And if we interact with again, he's going to do the same thing. Except there's no tree here now. It's just the edge of the screen. All right, so we can make him stop doing that by simply going to the command browser, going to the self switch, A. And remember, okay, we've got this page here that calls the self switch A. I'm just going to save event. This only works if he has 0 sprite and he's not solid in the in page 2. So we come up here, and oh my gosh, he's gone. Right? And that is the very basics of creating your own cutscenes. It's all about switches and variables, and you're just following the script. You're handing the script to these NPCs. They finish one script, you give them another script. Maybe that script says turn into this. Maybe it says I need you to be invisible. I don't show up, bro. Right? That's the end of this tutorial. We'll have more. Thank you for using Monster Adventure Studio. We greatly appreciate you. Truly. If you have ideas for any other tutorials, throw them out there. Join us in the Discord. We have a good time. Hope you're excited for 1.0. Lots of cool stuff coming. I will catch y'all in the next tutorial.